Hey, welcome back to my channel and happy new year. I wish all you guys blessings in 2021. If you are new to my channel, my name is Keena, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I achieve these gorgeous butterfly locks at home. This is my first time ever doing this hairstyle, so I was a little nervous, but I think it came out cute. Y'all can tell me what y'all think. For products, I'll be using leave-in conditioner, edge control to sleep my parts, and of course a crochet needle. I'll also be using a braiding comb and a brush, black rubber bands, and bobby pins. And of course the hair. I ordered the hair off of Amazon, and this is my first time ever ordering hair off of Amazon. It was so convenient and easy. This hair is so pretty. I got an 18-inch in 1B. I wanted to try a different color than my normal hair color. I guess I wanted to go darker for the winter, you know, I like to switch it up a little. So I'm doing the illusion crochet method, and with this method, it's supposed to give you the illusion of having individuals without actually doing individuals. And I learned about this method up here on YouTube. Forever Chrissy, a YouTuber I've been following for a while now. She has a really great tutorial on how to do this method. I'll tag her video in the upper right hand corner. But you can do illusions around your whole entire head if you want a versatile look. I mean, if you want to do some high ponytails or updos. I decided just to do illusions in the front because I probably just wear my hair out or probably do a lot of half up, half down styles. And I'll do the normal crochet way in the back. So I'm just creating connects in the front. You know, the old school connects we used to rock back in the day. They actually made a little comeback last year. I believe Rihanna had rocked them at an event. It's just cute to see all these 90s hairstyles coming back on trend. For a 90s kid, it just brings back so many memories and nostalgia. So I did 14 connects in the front. Now I'm ready to work on the back. And I'm just applying leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to flat twist the back because I don't know how to cornrow. Don't judge me. That should be a New Year's resolution of mine, to learn how to finally cornrow at almost 30 years old. My mom and my sister spoiled me. But I do know how to flat twist, so flat twisting does come in handy for times like this. So I did 5 flat twists in the back. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's not going to be seen. So I'm just now connecting the twists to each other. And I'm just going to pin up my twist in the back using bobby pins. Now my base is complete and I'm ready to crochet. There's plenty of videos up here on YouTube on how to actually crochet, so I'm not going to go too deep. But method wise, I like to crochet downwards and pull up. So I like to pull the crochet needle down and pull the hair up, and then I'll tie my knot. If you don't know how to crochet, then you definitely need to learn. It's one of the easiest protective styles that you can do with your hair, and it doesn't require a lot of time and a lot of money. It's just so convenient and easy. It's definitely changed my life and my protective style game. So yeah. Speaking of protective styles, I like to do a lot of protective styles in the winter and summer months because that's when my hair tends to be the driest, and that's when I also tend to be the laziest when it comes to doing my hair. So I try to do a protective style at least 2 to 3 times out of the year. That just works for me and my routine. Okay, so the front is done. I'm just gonna put it in a bun so it can be out of my way and I can start working on the back. For the back, I like to start around the perimeter first, just in case I run out of hair. I finally made my way to the middle. I'm just making sure that I place an even amount of locks on each twist. Okay, so these are the final results. Okay. In total, this style took me about 4.5 hours to do, which I didn't think was too bad. And I'm just sleeking my baby hairs, getting my baby hairs right. The only downside is I did run out of hair, but luckily the same company sold individual packs, so I did order an individual pack off of Amazon as well, and it came within 2 days, which was also very convenient. And I'll post this hair and all the products that I used in this video down in the description box below. And I'm just adding some jewels to give my hair some razzle dazzle. And for maintenance, I'm just going to tie it up at night with my big satin scarf. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you in your natural hair journey. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.